Good day everyone, this is Josh and this is What's Your. Ngayon kasama namin ang aming pastor ngayon, si Pastor Roel Merced. Hello Pastor, good evening.
Hello.
Hello po. Ang question namin ngayon Pastor is what's your advice para ma-develop ng isang tao ang kanyang character?
Para patuloy na mabago from glory to glory ang pagkatao ng mananampalataya, huwag siyang bibitiw sa Panginoon. Kahit anong sitwasyon, knowing that God loves him so much at kailangan lang niya maging strong and courageous and to wait patiently. Dahil may due time, God will lift up the humble. He gives grace to the humble, but He opposes